How to inject water into HSIN150. Before filling water, some screws on both sides and the top of the equipment need to be removed. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the screws on the top side one by one. Then remove the 3 screws from the upper edge and the 4 screws in the middle. After unscrewing all the marked screws, remove the top cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the water cup. Then, use the syringe to draw pure water and inject it into the water cup until the cup is full. Reinstall and tighten the screws on the water cup. Connect the device to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. At this point, the equipment enters the water supply mode. The liquid in the water cup will flow into the pipeline. Observe for about 15 seconds until the liquid level in the water cup no longer changes. Turn off the power switch and unscrew the screws on the water cup. Continue to fill the water cup with pure water. Reinstall and tighten the screws on the water cup. Turn on the power switch. Observe for about 15 seconds until the liquid level in the water cup no longer changes. At this moment, the water cup is fully filled with pure water and the pipeline is also filled with liquid. Turn off the power switch and install the screws on the water cup and tighten it with a flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the power supply of the device. Put back on top cover. Put all the removed screws back in place. Put the soaking heat into the furnace and install the sealing cover. Then equipment can test the work after connect power supply.